Welcome to D.L.C Architecture, and it's your boy Daniel Lewis from D.L.C Architecture. And behind me is a project done for a client by D.L.C Architecture. It's a 3-bedroom apartment. Just finished. And this building is sitting on a half plot of land. When I say half plot of land, it's actually sitting on a half plot of land. Before now, our client was thinking it wasn't possible for a 3-bedroom flat to sit on a half plot of land. And it's just the half plot of land is not a perfect square land, it's more like a angled land. So when I told him that we achieve it, he was surprised when he came in and saw that actually we fixed a 3-bedroom into the half plot. So I will take you right inside to show you how the arrangement was done for you to be able to achieve it, so that you out there, you viewers, we know that it's all about building, but you also need to think. So this is our entrance. Actually, from the design, it was bigger than this. From the design, actually, it was bigger than this. It was not the complete, but we had a challenge on the site based on the land issue, the shape of the land. We have to work on it. But the site that will actually contain any of your furniture that is coming in. This is a visitor's toilet. This is where we have the visitor's toilet. So when the visitors come, they don't need to go to the rooms. They need to use their cell phone or spend their prayers. They just put this phone here. And this is 60 room. They come to the 60 room. This is where they have the electronics, the television, and the AC. Already done finishing, so we are almost ready for the handling of our key to our clients. This is dining. Like I said, it's sitting on a half front plan, so we try as much as possible to minimize some spaces. So this is the dining for at least 4 persons. Mini dining, and then the kitchen door from the dining. Then right here is the lobby. I love the lobby so much. The lobby is very special. Any of your belongings, your bed, this can easily flow to the rooms. This is where they have the rooms. And behind the camera is the kitchen. Here, behind the camera is the kitchen. You can see this is our counter, our marble counter, which we did for the clients. This is the backyard door, this is the heater, which we introduced. So the kitchen is spacious enough for the wife or for the lady that will be cooking here, so that you have more space to move. They still need to do some furniture work here based on the counters that will be here. They still need to do some furniture works. That's where the gas cooker will be. This is the gas cooker switch. So you can see everything is working. We've already put out. You can actually start using this place. Someone can just move around now. So the rooms, I love the lobby. Like I said, I love the lobby so much. The space is giving me joy. So this is the master's bedroom, and it has a 2-way switch. From here, you can power the switch. There is no power right now. You can press it. Then have another switch from the bed. You can switch on and off the light from the 2-way. So this is the masters. Double window. All rooms are cross ventilated. That's another point. The rooms are cross ventilated. From the masters, you can view what's happening upstairs. You can see there's an ongoing project. We are still on it. So the ongoing project is still commencing the next flat. So this one is concluded. So try to economize the land as we can, as possible. This is the master's toilet with the heater. The toilet is more spacious for you to contain. No matter how fast you are, you can share a bit. So the pictures that these are adorable. So they are all unique fittings. You don't just use the normal fittings that we just see here. You need something not rampant. You have a 2-way switch. The kind of switch we are using is not the normal switches that are in the market. Then the children room. These children's rooms are from the page you notice that the children's room, so it's more calm. Silence of the building. This place is more calm and quiet. So this is where their toilet will be. This is their own. They have their own wardrobe. All rooms have their own wardrobe. So back to the external view. We try to incorporate some decoration, but that will be done when we are done with our flats. Now work for the compound, the external finishing in some areas, the fence and the compound, the flooring, and the landscaping. So, but for now, this is the interior of the 3-bedroom flat. It's going to be during the success. Our client is very happy and pleased with it. So we hope you involve us in your next home design. We hope you contact us for your next home design. No matter the land size, we assure you that we utilize it to the best possible way for you and your family and for your new home or your new house. So try as much as possible to involve D.L.C architecture in your next building project, in your next building plan. Thank you, and it's your boy once again, Daniel Lewis. Peace.